everyone, welcome back to VideoProc Vlogger's channel. In today's video, we are going to teach you how to create this stylish character poster intro. If you're interested in this, keep watching. First, let's open VideoProc Vlogger. Firstly, we need to create some solid color images. Click here to create a text track. Type a space in the text box. Then click here to enter the settings page. Look for the background. Click here in the drop-down menu. Select Costume. Pick a color from here. In my case, I choose green. Click down to return to the main screen. Next, click here to take a screenshot of the current frame. Next, let's re-import the image back into VideoProc Vlogger. Click here again to enter the settings panel. This time, let's change the background to white. Click down to return to the main screen. Next, let's import some character images. We need to remove the background of these images. After that, we import the cutout images into VideoProc Vlogger. Drag into the overlay track. Adjust the size and position of the image in the preview window. For example, I plan to place the character images side by side. So here, I will put it on the left side. Next, click here to enter the motion editor. First, place a keyframe at the far left of the timeline. Fit the selection box to the screen. Then move it upwards until the character is completely moved out of the screen. Go to the first second of this clip. Add our second keyframe over here and move the selection box back to the initial position. Adjust the speed to smooth the speed down number 1. Click Apply to return to the main screen. Next, click here to enter the color editor. First, we drag the timeline to find when the character comes on the stage. Next, adjust the saturation value to the lowest to turn the character into black and white. You can continue to adjust the exposure and contrast to enhance the image quality. After that's done, click Apply to return to the main screen. Next, let's create 2 overlay tracks and drag the green clip into them. As in the video, adjust the size and position in the preview window to make it look like this, a long stripe. Then click here to enter the motion editor. First, place a keyframe at the far left of the timeline and make the selection box fit to the screen. Then move the selection box towards the left until it completely moves out of the screen. Place the second keyframe at a position of the first second and return the selection box to its original position. Change the speed to smooth speed down number 1. Click Apply to return to the main screen. Then click here to enter the color editor. First, navigate the timeline to find the position where the picture appears. Then find the HSL at the bottom. Choose green and adjust the hue. Change the picture to the color you want. For instance, I choose red. Click Apply to return to the main screen. Next, let's find the compositing. Adjust the blending mode of the picture. I choose linear burn. You can also try other blending modes. Next, use copy and paste to copy the image to the lower overlay track. Then continue to adjust the position and the size of the picture in the preview window so they form an X with each other. After that, hold down here, drag one of the overlay tracks and move it above the character image. This creates such a 3-dimensional effect. Finally, Adjust the starting moment of the picture on the timeline. Drag them to after 1 second. In this way, the X will appear after the caricature shows up completely. Aside from X, you can also create more types of color stripe effects. Make the entrance effect for other characters in the same way. After that, we find the effects in the upper left corner, select color glitch, and add it to the effects track. Finally, add proper text and lines, and the trendy character poster titles is completed. That's it for today's tutorial. If you want to learn more editing tricks or keep up with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to subscribe to our channel. See you in our next tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!